Amid floods in China, a floating lighthouse breaks free and drifts down the Hunhe River. Heavy rains brought by Typhoon Bavi were expected to last through Tuesday. Shangaji County in northeast China's Heilongjiang province has stepped up emergency responses as Typhoon Bavi, the ninth typhoon of the year, brings continuous rainfall, pushing local rivers above warning levels. Mai River in the county, a tributary of the Songkhla River, experienced its first flooding this year at 2:36 on Monday, and the flood peak passed through the county about 7 hours later. Other rivers in the county have also recorded varying degrees of water level rise. In response, local authorities have reinforced at-risk sections by placing sandbags to build temporary dikes and reduce the risk of overflow. If there is no heavy rain or widespread precipitation, this area is almost dry. We have stocked more than 36,000 sandbags at least half a month in advance under our contingency plan, said Wang Yuanqing, a local official. As of 8 o'clock Tuesday, the water level at the Shangaji Hydrological Station on the Mai River had fallen to 183.67 meters, down 1.43 meters from the peak flood level of 185.10 meters, returning to below the warning level. Typhoon Bavi landed on the coast of East China's Zhejiang province at around 23:20 Saturday, according to the Zhejiang Provincial Meteorological Observatory. The typhoon, with a maximum wind force at its center reaching 40 meters per second when landing, first churned ashore at Yuhua City, a county-level city administered by the city of Taizhou, before making a second landfall in Yuqing City under the city of Wenzhou at around midnight. After landfall, the typhoon is expected to continue moving northwestward while weakening. In some areas of Shenyang, cumulative precipitation at multiple monitoring stations has already exceeded 420 mm over the past 30-plus hours. Shenyang's average annual rainfall is approximately 615 mm, meaning some areas received more than 70% of their typical yearly total in just over 30 hours. Due to the heavy rainfall, several rivers in Lining province are now experiencing significant rises in water levels. 9 rivers, including the Liaohe River, the Hunhe River and the Tezi River, have already exceeded their warning levels, and 43 reservoirs across the province have surpassed their flood control limits. The Provincial River and Reservoir Management Service Center has issued its first flood alert of the year.
那从7月12号夜。